అవి ఇక్కడ ఏదో వచ్చింది మళ్ళా అది ఫైల్స్ వచ్చినాయి అన్ని ఫైల్ నేమ్ సేవ్ యాస్ టైప్ వచ్చింది ఓకే Nana, inform to your friends, Nana, good morning. Okay, today we will start the combination next topic, combinations. Permutations are over. So combinations chapter we will start now. So right, first the permutations formula is we learn that is out of n dissimilar things we are taking r at a time, it is denoted by NPR. But in the combinations we have to learn that is by formula is NCR. So that is number of ways of selecting. Selections are said to be combinations. Only the number of things can be arranged is permutation. This is nothing but combination means it is an selection. It is an selection of things. It is an selection of things. It is said to be combinations. Okay, permutations mean arrangement of things, whereas combination means selection of things. So that is the formula is, it is denoted by NCR. The formula is that a selection is, it is a selection that can be formed by taking some or all of a finite set of things or object is called combination. So selection is that can be formed by taking some or all of a finite set, all of a finite set of things, finite set of things or objects is called combination. So this is the formula, it is denoted by NCR. NCR nothing but taking some or all of a finite n distinct things, taking r at a time, it is denoted by NCR. NCR is nothing but formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula, that is NCR, whereas NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. But here NCR nothing but NPR by n factorial by n minus r factorial into n factorial. So let us take the one formula for this one. So next we will learn that is the NC0. What is the value for NC0? So whereas n factorial by, put r equal to 0 in this term. So n factorial into 0 factorial. Nothing but n factorial cancel, that is 1. Therefore NC0 equal to, the value is always 1. the basic values, and then NC1. NC1 is nothing but n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial, whereas n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. 1 factorial obviously 1. I am writing whereas n factorial in the form of n into n minus 1 factorial. So that is cancel, then you get n. So then it is NC1 is always, that is the value is NC1 is n. So whereas NC0 is 1, NC1 equal to 1. Okay. Next, what is the formula? It is a combination, means selection of things. That is, the formula is a selection that can be formed by taking some or all of a finite set of things or object is called combination. Combination means it is denoted by NCR. NCR nothing but taking n out of things. We are selecting some or all of a finite set of things. Then it is called NCR. It is, the formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So then the first formula is NC0 equal to 1, whereas NC1 equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, like this. 8 factorial is there, then we can write 8 into 7 factorial, one term decreasing, and write the remaining terms. In similar way, n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. Then we can get n minus 1 factorial cancellation, then get as n. Therefore NC1 is equal to n, whereas NC0 equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, the formula is for writing NC2. Okay. The formula is second formula, NC2 nothing but n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into r2 factorial. Then we can write here n into n minus 1 into, as our convenient term, this is the term value decreasing terms, and divided by n minus 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Then n minus 2 factorial cancellation, then you get n into n minus 1. Therefore NC2 is nothing but n into n minus 1. This is the formula. NC0 is 1, NC1 is 1, and NC2 is n into n minus 1. Similarly, what we write? Similarly, NC3 nothing but starting with n, writing up to decreasing term divided by, this is 2 factorial, divided by 2 factorial, and this is also divided by 2 factorial, and n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by writing up to 3 terms. N is the first term, n minus 1 is the second term, and third one is n minus 2, and then divided by 3 term is 3 factorial. Similarly, NC4 nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by what? 4 factorial. Okay. So the decreasing term starting with n, writing up to 4 terms, and the product of the first n natural numbers. Therefore NCR formula is decreasing the first n natural numbers, decreasing from n, then divided by first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. So that is meaning that in C2 nothing but starting with n, writing up to 2 terms, NC2, 2 terms by dividing 2 factorial. Similarly, first value is 1 factorial nothing but n fact starting with n, writing up to 1 term by n factorial. 1 factorial obviously 1, then the value is n. NC0 obviously 1, but NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. And then next one is NC3 nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial. Next, third one is NC4. Similarly, NC4 nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial. Like this way NCR denoted by, this is R. NCR nothing but the first n natural number decreasing from n divided by first n natural numbers. So that is NCR the formula. Okay, this is the formula for NCR. Any term write in the form of this formula. So that is the first, the product of first n natural numbers decreasing from n divided by the first n natural numbers. It is denoted by NCR. NCR formula this is. Then C2 n into n minus 1 starting with n writing up to 2 terms and then divided by 2 factorial, and then similarly next one is NC3 n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial. NC4 n into n minus 1 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial. Like this way, right? Okay, and similarly example we take the examples. Suppose the value find out by 9C3 is there. What is the value for a 9C3? Okay, what is the formula? The first product of the first n natural number decreasing from n. Up to how many terms you have to write? 9C3 means write as 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 term means the first n natural numbers, that is 3 into 2 into 1. So now the cancellation, then you get 3 to 4 ja, and next next the value is 28 into 3, 84. So that is the value for 9C3 is 84. In similarly next value, that is the second value, suppose 10C3 is there. Suppose 10C2 is there. That is write as product of first n natural numbers decreasing from n divided by the first n natural numbers. So that is 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. So 2 and then 5. So 5 9 are 45. Similarly, the value for suppose 8C4 is there. 8C4 Nana. 8C4 how will you write? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 2 into 3 into 1. So 4 2 ja 8. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja cancel. That is the value as to 70. So finding the values of the, whereas NPR only n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on up to n minus r plus 1, a denominator is not there. But in the terms, here the values NCR, we have the formula, the product of the first n natural numbers decreasing from n by the product of first n natural numbers. Here also write as the product of first n natural numbers. The product of first n natural numbers. So that is the value of NCR. Finding the NC3 nothing but 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Whereas 9P3 means we should take only the value 9 into 8 into 7. But here 3 into 2 into 1, the product of first n natural numbers you have to write. This is the formula. Okay. Next, similarly, the value for NCR we can write as another form, the relation between, second formula, the relation between NPR and NCR. What is the formula relation? The relation between NPR and NCR. What is the value for in relation between NPR and NCR is, you know the formula just now, that is NCR equal to, what is the formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. But we have to write this total value belongs to, what is the formula, this value? Whereas NCR equal to NPR. Okay, we know the formula. Sending to this side, that is the value is sending to this as to r factorial equal to this value is become to NPR. Therefore, NPR by NCR equal to r factorial. NPR by r factorial equal to NCR, or else NCR equal to r. Now we can write NPR by r factorial equal to NCR. This is the relation between the terms as NCR into r factorial is NPR. From this NPR by NCR we can write R factorial, or NPR by R factorial equal to NCR. These are the relation between NCR and NPR. So the permutation, the combination is nothing but permutation plus order gives you permutation, nothing, permutation plus order, permutation plus order, nothing but we can arrangement, we can select, add the selection of things, that is nothing but combination. So and the NCR into R factorial is nothing but NPR, and then the value is NPR by NCR equal to R factorial, or else NPR by R factorial equal to NCR. That is why we can write as this formula as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on up to n minus of R minus 1 divided by R factorial, nothing but decreasing terms from the first n natural number, that is 1 into 2 into 3 so on up to as R. So writing up to R factorial means like this. So this is belongs to NCR. So therefore the relation between NPR and NCR is, this is the relation. Okay. Next relation, Nana. Always NCR exists, this is the point. NCR exists only, the value is always greater than R is lesser than or equal to n. And then next formula is always NCR is a positive integer. Always this the value is a positive integer. Don't take negative values, only the value is always positive integer. And this and the value always NCR by NCR divides. Okay, and the basic formula you learn, that is NCR equal to n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. Next similarly second formula we can get now, NCR equal to NC n minus R. This is the formula, Nana, most important formula of our problem solvation. This is the frequently used formula, NCR equal to NC n minus R. So that is we can write as formula proof. So just now we have written, whereas NCR equal to n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. Just I am simplifying this value by, I am keeping as it is n factorial as it is, and n minus R factorial also as it is, but R factorial I am writing n minus of n minus R factorial. Okay, this is the value. Why? Because I am writing like this, the value doesn't change. So just you see, observe, Nana, n minus n cancel, minus into minus plus R factorial. R factorial also I am writing as n minus of n minus R factorial. Now let us see, this is the form of n factorial by n minus R factorial to R factorial. Therefore this is in the form of NC n minus R. Where in the place of R factorial? Though think over, this is in the form of n R factorial. Now it is in the form of n minus R factorial. Therefore this is always in the form of NCR. Therefore this the formula is to write NCR, nothing but the value becomes to NC n minus R. Okay. Just now we have to think, this is in the form of R factorial and this is in the form of n minus R factorial. Instead of R value you have n minus R. Therefore NCR nothing but you can write as NC n minus R. NCR is nothing but NC n minus R. Okay. These are the most important formula in the problem solving. We can write as example you take. Just now we have completed what is the value for this. NCR equal, N9C3 equal to 84 or 10C2 equal to this. Okay. In the similar way, 9C3 you got the value as to 45. Okay. Just now we have completed. 9C4 equal to 84. So sorry, this is 84. In the similarly, the value for NCR nothing but NC 9 minus 3, that is equal to 9C6, also gives the value is as 84 only. And similarly 10C2 nothing but 10C 10 minus 2, then it is equal to 10C8. So 10C2 value and 10C8 value both are having the same value. You can get as the value as 45 by using the formula simplification, making into easy. So our convenient formula can be applied. NCR equal to NC n minus R. Okay, and then another next formula is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Okay, the formula is take the LHS simplification, then you get the value as N plus 1 CR. Okay. Next, similarly, another formula is second in this way, NCR minus 2 plus 2 times of NCR minus 1 is equal plus NCR equal to, the value becomes 2 N plus 2 CR. This is the formula, NCR minus 2 plus 2 times of NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to N plus 2 CR. Okay. And similarly, third formula is NCR equal to NCS, then we can write as R equal to S, suffixes will be equal, or else N equal to R plus S. Both are the formulas. If it is some NCR equal to NCS, then you get N over whatever, then you write as in R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. Both are having suffixes you can take. So let us take one example. Suppose NC4 equal to NC3 is there. Then you write here R equal to S3 equal to 4 not equal to, but N value we can find N equal to 4 plus 3, then you get as 7. So N equal to 7, the value of 7C4 nothing but 7C3. NCR equal to NC N minus R only. From this formula you can apply this value. So then we get the value as to NC4 equal to NC3, then you get N equal to 7. The value substituted in 7C4 nothing but 7C3. It is in the form of NCR equal to NC N minus R. Okay, in the same way this value you can find. Next formula, take some values from this, some problems, afterwards I will explain the remaining notes. These are the basic formulas, whatever the formulas we have. NCR plus NC N minus R equal to N plus 1 CR, this is the formula. Next one, NCR minus 2 equal to plus NC 2 times of NC N minus R plus NCR equal to, that is the value N plus 2 CR. Taking the LCM, those, then you get the values as it is. Next, another formula, NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S, or if it is not there R equal to S, then both the next one, N equal to R plus S. Okay, these are the basic important formulas. Okay, just now we have completed this value. NCR, the product of first n natural numbers decreasing from m by the product of first n natural numbers. Similarly, the relation between the two terms is NPR by NCR equal to R factorial, or NPR by R factorial equal to NCR. The product of the first decreasing terms from n divided by first product of the first R natural numbers. Okay, then the value is always exist, only R is lesser than or equal to n. So n value, R value must be equal or else lesser to R. R is lesser to n, and NCR is always positive value you can get, don't take the negative values. It cannot be take the values as exist only for positive integer. And another formula is NCR equal to NC N minus R. No substitute in this one. Okay. Next, similarly, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR, and NCR minus 2 plus 2 times of NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to N plus 2 CR, whereas NCR equal to NCS, then R equal to S, and then N equal to R plus S. These are the basic formulas. Okay, next go to the next exercise. Some problems you can do solving the very easiest examples. Exercise 5.5, we can write the starting from the values, very short answer type questions. First question, the value if NC4 equal to, if NC4 equal to 210, then find the value as n. Find n. Find the value of n. So what is the value for n? We can write. So NC4 equal to 210. What is the value for n? They are asking. NC4 just now we have learned, that is the formula is n into n minus 1 by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by n minus 3 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And similarly the value for NC4 equal to the value is given 210. So now simplification the values. Okay. Now first NC4 write down first. NC4 whatever the value for NC4 you can write. So NC4 equal to 210 is given. NC4 nothing but in writing from starting from n writing up to 4 terms, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, decreasing from n and write as 2, decreasing for first or natural numbers, equal to 210. Equal to 210. Okay. Now simplify. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to 210 can be written as 10 into 21. 210. And then denominator you send this right hand side 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Next simplify. That is starting term is 10 is there and next terms goes to write in the form of 10 into continuation numbers you have to write, Nana. 10 into 21 can be written as 10 into this 21 first you write 7 into 3, then 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now next write down as 10 into, suppose 3 into 3 we can write as 3 into 3 as 9. So rearrange the terms as our product of first decreasing term, 3 into 3 as to 9, and then you can write as 9 afterwards you can get 4 to the 8. Okay. Next 10 next decreasing term is 7 is there. Okay. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Therefore on observing comparing with LHS, two largest integer on both sides, if it is you have taken as 10 on both sides, 10 on both sides, then you get the next decreasing term is 10 minus 1 9. Okay, it's fine. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, next 10 minus 3 is 7. Therefore on comparing the largest number and comparing the largest integer, then we get n equal to 10. This is the answer for 10. 10C4 nothing but it becomes to 210. That's all. This is the question. First rewrite the answer. So NC4 nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is equal to 210. Now cross multiply 210 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 21 can be written as 7 into 3. And then going to decreasing term, 10 is there. Next term is 3 into 3, 9 and 4 to the 8 and the remaining 7. So comparing the largest number to on both sides, then you get the value as n equal to 10. And then go to the next question, question number 2. The value of 2 times of if 10 into NC2 equal to 3 times of n plus 1 into C3 Then find the value of n. Find the value of n. So 10 times of nC2, then we can write as 3 times of n plus 1 into C3. So 10 into nC2 can be written as n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial is nothing but 3 times of n plus 1 C3. N plus 1 C3 nothing but starting with n plus 1, writing up to 3 terms, decreasing. Formula is just now we have the product of the first n natural numbers decreasing from n. Here n plus 1 is there. Decreasing term means lesser to 1. Then after term is n you can get, and next term is n minus 1, and then divided by 3 factorial. This is the value for n plus 1 C3. Starting with n plus 1, writing up to 3 terms. N plus 1, n, and then n minus 1. And then write as to value divided by n C3 factorial. This is the value for this. And then here cancellation. N will be cancellation. N minus 1 cancellation. Then 10 by 2 factorial nothing but 2 into 1 you can write, and then 3 into n plus 1 by 3 factorial nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, and then 3 will be get cancelled, 2 into 1 here get cancelled, therefore you can get as n plus 1 equal to 10, and then is nothing but 9. So n value becomes to 9. This is the question number, second question. Okay. So write the formulas nC2 first, and then n plus 1 C3 you can write. Similarly, nC2 nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. N plus 1 C3 nothing but n plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by 3 factorial. So this is the value, cancellation. You can get the value as n equal to 9. This is the question number 2, and similarly go to the question number 3. NC4 third bit, first bit, third question. NC4 equal to NC6, then find the value of n. NC4 equal to NC10. Just now we have learned the formula. Whenever if NCR equal to NCS, then we can write as NR equal to S, or else if it is equal to R equal to S, you can write R, and then write as N equal to R plus S. This is the formula. Therefore, in the form of NCR equal to NCS, then you can write R equal to 6, 4 equal to 6, never be, this chance will not happen, this does not exist, therefore this value you can take N equal to 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10, therefore N equal to 10, this is the answer. That's all. Second bit, 15C 2R minus 1 equal to, Nana, inform to your friends, don't go anywhere, please stay on the line. 15C 2R minus 1 equal to 15C 2R plus 4, then find R. 15C 2R minus 1 equal to 15C 2R plus 4, then find R. So that is, it is also in the form of NCR equal to NCS, then that is implies R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. So then here you can write here of those R in the place we can take the value, it is in the form of R equal to this, and here also R equal to this, N equal to, both are equal to same, NCR equal to NCS, suffixes are different, N equal to same, then you write R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. So 2R minus 1, so 2R minus 1 equal to 2R plus 4, or else 15 equal to 2R minus 1 plus 2R plus 4. Now from this you can simplification, the value you can get as 4r plus 3 equal to 4r plus 3 equal to 15, then r equal to, then get 3. From this r will be get cancelled, it cannot, does not exist. It doesn't exist. The value of this value is r is given, then r equal to 3. This is the answer. So if 15c2r minus 1 equal to 15c2r plus 4, then find the value of r, nothing but this. Take by using the formula NCR equal to NCS, then r equal to s, or n equal to r plus s. In similarly, next problem also second bit, next one also same. 2 second bit 2 to 12c r plus 1 equal to 12c 3r minus 5. Find r. Same method and formula same as it is formula 12c r plus 1 equal to 12c 3r minus 5. So same method formula. So write as the formula is, if NCR equal to NCS, then equal to r equal to s, or n equal to r plus s. This is the formula. Therefore we can write as this formula is, r equal to s means this is r and this is think as 2s. Therefore that implies r plus 1 equal to 3r minus 5. In the same way solve by this, then 2r equal to 1 plus 5 6, 2r equal to 6, r equal to 3. And then from this 12 equal to r plus 1 plus 3r minus 5. So which is equal to 4r minus 4 equal to 12. Then 16 equal to 4r, or else r equal to 4. Therefore the value of this expression is, if it is r equal to 3 or r equal to 4, both are the values, the equation will be satisfies. And next goes to next question. And then third one also same, with same concept. Question number 3. Twelve c k plus 1 equal to 12c, question number 3, 12c s plus 1 equal to 12c 2r minus 5. Then find s value. Now it is in the form of same formula, NCR equal to NCS, then r equal to s, or r equal to s. Then here write as s plus 1 equal to 2s, this is 2s minus 5, or s plus 1 equal to 2s minus 5. From this s equal to 6, or from this s equal to 3s equal to 16. So now s must be non-negative integer, then it is goes to s equal to 16 by 3. So don't take the fraction part, only the value for expression is s equal to 6. Then since non-negative integer you can take. So therefore s value becomes to s equal to 6. Okay. By above the formula I can apply. Now question number 4. First bit over, second bit over, then go to the 12cr equal to 495. Find the possible values of r. Question number 4, 12cr equal to 495. Find the possible values of r. Find the possible values of r. So observe this question. What is the question? Solution you can take. 12cr nothing but 495 is given. So in the place of last we have 5, nothing but it is a multiple of 5. So then we can write 11 into, or else divide by 5, we can what you get, 495, 5 9 ja, 5 9 ja. Okay, 5 into 99, that is equal to 495. 5 into 99. First you write this as to 5 into 99. Afterwards you can simplify. So 5 into 99. Then after 5 into 99, nothing but 11 into 5, 11 into 9, 11 9 ja 99. So 5 into 11 into 7, 11 in, 9 into 11, 99, 9 into 11. Now in the form of, we can substitute as in the form of 12 CR. Okay, convert as to product of starting term as to 12 and decreasing terms you have to write, then you get the value for R. So starting 12 means you can write here multiply divide by 12 you can take, 11 is there. So in terms of 12 here nothing but starting from 12 will be we can get. So multiply and divide by 12 into 11 into 9 into 5 divided by 12. Just whatever we have done, just 12 multiply and divide by 12. So for getting the RHS value, so starting number 12 is not there means I am just multiplying by 12 on numerator and denominator. Okay, now we can change into 12 into 11 into multiply and divide by 2. Why? Because 12 after 12, 11 is there, 10 is not there. So that's why I am multiplying and divide by 2 here. Multiply and divide by 2. So getting the 10, if it is 12 is there, 11 is there, 10 is not there, but 5 we have. So that is multiply and divide by 9 into 5 into 2 divided by 12 into 2. So that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 divided by how much? Divided by 2 nothing but 24. 24 nothing but we can write as the product of these values. 24 can be written as what, Nana? Product of the terms as 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. 4 3 2 1. 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So therefore we get 12 CR equal to 12 C4, then 4 R equal to 4. That is the value for R. If it is by using 12 C4 is nothing but 12 C 12 minus 4, that is 12 C 8. So 4 R 8. Observe, perfect answer is why? Because since it is in the form of NCR equal to NC n minus R. 12 C4 nothing but 12 C 12 minus 4, then 12 C 8. So R equal to 4 R 8 the value for this. Okay. So first convert into the as a product of the terms. 495 can be written as 5 into 11, 5 into 99. Then after 9 can be written as 99 can be written as 9 into 11. Afterwards multiply and divide by 12. So can get in the form of right hand, left hand side 12 is there, starting with 12 number is there. So that is why I keep it as to multiply and divide by 12. Next 12 can be expressed as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And then 12 PR can be, okay, the values will be, we can get. So this is the question number 4. Calculation purpose only, Nana. Just small problems they both are. And next question number 5. if NC21 equal to NC27 and then find the value of 50Cn. 50Cn. If NC21 equal to NC27, the basic formula what we have learned just now only. If NCR equal to NCS, then put the value as R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. This is the basic formula. If NCR both having the same N values, different suffix value is there, nothing but they are both equivalent value. So that is why if R equal to S not possible, then you write here N equal to 21 plus 27. So N equal to 48 you can take. Therefore, we want in the question is 50Cn. So that is 50C49, 48. 50C48 nothing but NCR equal to NCn minus R. The Lilly formula can be reduced into smaller form, that is NCR equal to NCn minus R. Therefore, this can be written as 50 minus 48, NCR equal to NCn minus R. So that is the value is 50 into C2. So 50 C2 value we can find 50 into 49 by 2 into 1. So that is 25 into 50 into 49 by 1 into 2. Then it is get 2 into 25. 25 into 49. 5 9 are 45 and then it is 4 to the 8. 8 plus 4 12. So that is 1225. Okay, this is the question number 5. So that is also basic formula, Nana. If NCR equal to NCS, then N equal to R equal to S or N equal to R plus S. The formula you can apply. From this N equal to 48. Now simplify 50C and nothing but 50C48. 50C48 nothing but 50C50 minus 48. That is 50C2. 50C2 nothing but write as 50 into 49 by 2 into 1. Then you get the value is 1225. This is the value for NCN 50C48. 50C48 value. 50C48 most healthy problem, but we can using the formula NCR equal to NCN minus R. Then you get the answer very easily and quickly. That is NCN minus R. 50C50 50 minus 48. So this is the basic formula applied here. Then you get the answer very easily as 1225. Okay. Write the next question. Question number 5. Prove that 10C3 plus 10C6 equal to 11C4. Don't go anywhere, Nana. Line the up to on the line. Please stay on the line. So 10C3 plus 10C6 equal to, we have to need to prove 11C4. So now apply this formula. 10C6 can be written as, what is the formula? NCn minus R. So 10C4. Since we are writing, why you are writing like this? NCR equal to NCn minus R. Therefore 10C6 is equal to 10C10 minus 6, which is equal to 10C4. 10C4 is obviously equal to 10C6. Okay. Therefore, this is again the formula can be applied as NCR, since NCR plus NCn minus R equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR plus 10C3 plus 10C4, that is equal to 10 minus 3, 10C4, N minus R equal to N plus R, NCn minus R. Then it is write as 10C3 plus 10C4 we can write as 11C4. 10C4 plus 10C3 equal to, we can write as 11C4. That's all. This is the basic formula. NCR plus NCN minus R equal to N plus 1 CR. Then from this answer is goes to 11C4. This is the question number 5. Okay. Next, go to the next question. Question number 6. All are simple problems. Find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Direct formula, or else we can value we can write. Okay. Now split as to this as 2 times. One 10C4 and another 10C4. 2 times, right? This is the value 10C4, 10C4 nothing but 2 times is there. 2 times of 10C4 nothing but you can write 10C4 1 is in 10C4. Therefore 10C5 plus 1 10C4 plus another 10C4 plus 10C3. Now regrouping this as to this value and this value to this value. Again in the form, this is the formula is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Then we can write 11C5 plus, similarly this is the formula also same formula. So then we can get 11C4. Again the formula same NCR plus NCR minus 1. Then you get 12C4. 12C5, sorry, 12C5. The value for 12, this value is 12C5. NCR plus NCR minus 1. N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR nothing but 12C5. The formula is, this formula applied so many times. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. In the 7, next problem also is there. Basic formulas only we can writing. Next question. Show that, 7th question. Show that N minus 3 CR plus 3 times of N minus 3 into CR, NCR minus 1 plus 3 times of N minus 3 CR minus 2 plus N minus 3 CR minus 3 equal to, we need to prove as NCR we need to prove. So take the value for all those, the value of LHS now goes to simplify as in the form of NCR. Okay, okay, take the LHS, whatever we have, N minus 3 CR plus this 3 times, this is also 3 times. I am splitting into 2 times, one term as it is, remaining 2 times. N minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 2 times of 3 can be written as 1 into 3 times as this into I am writing 2 times of N minus 3 CR minus 1, and again this one also same 2 times of N minus 3 CR minus 2 plus 1 time of N minus 3 CR minus 2 plus N minus 3 into CR minus 3. So again formula can be applied. This the formula is to write as NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to, we can write N plus 1 CR. In the same way here we have, in the place of N we have N minus 3, N minus 3. NCR plus NCR minus 1, we can write 1 adding the one term of n. So adding the one term here, get from these two terms we can write as n minus 3 in the place of n minus 3 is there. So then we can write as how much, plus 1 add, then n minus 2 CR plus from these two terms take the 2 as common, then you get n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus n minus 3 CR minus 2 plus again this formula, in the same formula NCR plus NCR minus 1. So same formula we can apply, then you get the last two terms as n minus 2 CR minus 2. So that is n minus 2 into CR plus 2 times of, this is the value in the form of same formula NCR plus NCR minus 1. Now again you write as in the middlemost value n minus 2 into CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 2. Again 2 times is there, you can split as 2 our convenient, n minus 2 CR plus n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 2. 2 terms can be split into 2 times. Okay, now regrouping the terms as our convenient, this has to regrouping. Now formula can be executed, then NCR plus NCR minus 1, then means n plus 1 CR, that is n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 1 CR, and next these two terms nothing but n minus 1 CR minus 1. Both are having the last formula again in CR you can get. This is the value for n minus 3 CR, that's all. This is the question we do. Splitting the terms, now 3 times you can write first 2 terms. First 1 term and 2 term, and this is the 3 term means 2 term and 1 term. And regrouping, first 2 term regrouping, then you get the formula as this formula, and remaining from this 2 as taking common. This last 2 terms formula has same formula can be applied, NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is n minus 2 CR minus 2. Next splitting in the brackets formula, n minus 2 CR minus 1 and n minus 2 CR minus 2, and splitting 2 terms as our convenient. From first 2 terms n minus 1 CR and second 2 terms as n minus 2 CR minus 1, then you get the value as n plus 1 CR, n minus 1 CR plus n minus 1 CR minus 1. Here also get the value in CR, it is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is n plus 1 CR. By adding 1, then you get n, R in the place we have R minus 1. So then NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR, that's all. Then go to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. If 9C3 plus 9C5 equal to 10CR, find R. 9C3 plus 9C5 equal to 10CR. Again the same formula can be executed, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. This is the basic formula, but here not in the form of this. 9C5 can be written as 9C3 plus 9C4. Why? Because 9C5 nothing but 9C4, since NCR equal to NC n minus R. So therefore 9C5 nothing but 9C 9 minus 5, which is equal to 9C4. Both are equal, having same value. That is why value we can write as NC4, which is equal to 10CR given. So application of this above formula, then we can get 10C3 nothing but 10CR minus 10C4, NCR plus NCR minus 1, 10C4, that is nothing but NCR. In the place of R here, NCR plus NCR minus 1, this is NCR, this is NCR, and this is NCR minus 1, plus is there, then you write N plus 1 CR. From this N equal to 10, then you can write as 10C4, then R value is as to 4. Just basic formula applications are there, Nana. Okay, then go to the question number 9. Prove that question number 5. 25C4 plus sigma R equal to 0 to 4, 29 minus R C3 equal to 30C4. LHS you can take. 25C4 keep it as same, starting from R equal to 0. First you write, put R equal to 0, 29C3. If R equal to 1, you can write 28C3. If R equal to 2, 27C3. R equal to 3, 26C3. R equal to 4, 25C3. Okay, put R equal to 0 means this value, and R equal to 1 this value, R equal to 2, R equal to 3, R equal to 4. In the place of 29 minus 0, 29C3, 29 minus 1, 28C3, 29 minus 2, 27C3, R equal to 3, 26C3, R equal to maximum 4, 25C3. Sigma means sum of the terms. Put R equal to 0 in the place of value. So now substituting the basic formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. So therefore 25C4 plus 25C3 can be written as 26C3. So for this sake of our convenient, take the first value and the last value. Okay, then the value is write as N plus 1 CR. That implies 25C4 plus 25C3 plus 26C3 plus 27C3 plus 28C3 plus 29C3. This is the rearrangement I am writing downwards to starting. Now regrouping the terms, 25C3 plus 25C3. Then above value write as 26C3, and the remaining terms keep it as same, 26C3, and then 27C3, and then 28C3, and then 29C3. Again we can regrouping the terms, again this regrouping, put it equal to, and then get the value is 27C3, 26C4, 27C4 plus 27C3 plus 28C3 plus 29C3. From this you can write here, I am writing, this is equal to 28C4 plus 28C3 plus 29C3. From this again we can write as to this grouping, 29C4 plus 29C3. Again you write as 30C4, 30, which is equal to 30C4. The basic formula is this formula only. Always you can learn this formula as NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. That formula can be written as regrouping the terms, before last term write as here, and like this term and this term, this term, this term, regrouping one by one chain system. So the lastly you can get 30C4. Therefore LHS value is becomes to RHS 30C4. This is the first question. In the similarly second problem, same similar method question I am writing, you can try yourself, do yourself DIY, nothing but homework problem. 34C5 plus sigma R equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus R into C4 equal to 39C5. That's all. This is the question. So answer is to write 39C5. Okay. Tomorrow I'll continue the class, Nana. Okay. Same thing, once again practice, write formulas daily, Nana. Practice yourself, then you get the answers very easily and quickly. Okay, write formulas, and once again you have to practice all those given problems. Right, thank you.